Hi everyone, here I am back again with Leonardo. Why? Because it's absolutely stunning. Stunning images it creates and you are going to love it. See for yourself. And this is all for free. You have 150 credits. First go to leonardo.ai. Then sign up with your Google account. What's next? Get inspired with the recent creations. You can even copy the prompts if you like. Choose a style and then generate. That's it. Let the magic begin. You can download it or you can try the new feature from Leonardo, which is Leonardo Motion, which is absolutely brilliant. Just follow the tutorial. Really easy, quick and free as well. You are going to love it. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe and hit the notification button so that I can keep on bringing the best free AI tools for you and your projects. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching.